Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra campaigned in the Chinhat area of Lucknow for ongoing Uttar Pradesh Assembly elections today. The fourth phase of the voting in Assembly elections will be held on 23rd February. Citing the decline in COVID-19 cases, yesterday the Election Commission restored the number of star campaigners a party can field for campaigning in the ongoing polls in 5 states. Now recognized national and state parties can field a maximum of 40 star campaigners. Other parties which are registered but not recognized can now have 20 star campaigners. Today, a Karnataka minister blamed on Muslim goons the murder that happened last night of a Bajrang Dal activist, which has sparked tension and arson in Shivamogga. Karnataka's Rural Development Minister K.S. Eshwarappa also accused Congress's Karnataka chief D.K. Shivakumar of instigating the killing with comments he had made at the height of the hijab protests. 26-year-old Harsha was stabbed last evening by 4 or 5 men whom he knew. Security has been stepped up in Shivamogga because of incidents of arson after Harsha's death around 9 p.m. last night. Schools and colleges have been closed for 2 days. Large gatherings have been banned. Karnataka Home Minister Araga Jnanendra said that those behind the murder are yet to be identified, adding that a law and order situation is under control in Shivamogga. As per reports by Reuters, a blast was heard in the center of Donetsk, a city that is held by Russian-backed separatists in eastern Ukraine. The agency claimed that the origin of the blast was not clear yet. The latest development follows even as the US warned that Russia is one step closer to invading Ukraine. A day earlier, Russia has retracted pledge to withdraw troops from Ukraine's northern border. Russia extended the military exercises, which was set to conclude yesterday, and brought an estimated 20,000 troops to Belarus. Presently, at least 150,000 Russian troops along with tanks, warplanes, artillery, etc. are deployed outside Ukraine's borders. Andhra Pradesh Industries Minister Mikapati Gautam Reddy passed away following a heart attack today morning at a private hospital in Hyderabad. He was 50 years old. Reddy was rushed to Apollo Hospitals after he collapsed at his home in the early hours today. However, despite doctors' best efforts, he could not be revived and was declared dead at 9:16 a.m. The minister returned to Hyderabad yesterday after spending 10 days in Dubai for Expo 2022. Reddy also held the information technology portfolio.